monkeys. Let's go! I'm not doing no headbang.
As we mentioned last week, they're starting to decorate for Halloween. More decorations for Halloween. We'll have to check it out after we get off of Iron Gwazi. Well, it's not D.H. Bagham's. It looks like Vittorio's Circus of Fear, the Killer Encore.
Okay.
All right. So we have another house that's popping up. Just like I thought. They're doing work in the back, doing work on the houses. So a lot of the updates we won't see, except for the scare zones. Well, it's been previously reported, but this confirms it. Cheetah Hunt and the Cobra's Curse are both down. Now, I heard that Cheetah Hunt possibly won't be back up until the end of September. And Cobra's Curse is just going through some annual maintenance. And also closed today is the Congo River Rapids and Falcon's Fury. Falcon's Fury, we don't know. Hopefully soon, but yeah. And I just heard from the park president, John, that the Congo River Rapids may be opening up tomorrow. That's Saturday the, well, hold on a second. Yep, that would be Saturday the 22nd. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. And, well, since Cheetah Hunt and Cobra's Curse are down, we're going to head all the way up to Montu. Another favorite that's returning is the Stranglewood Estate. Brought to you by the Stranglewood Realty. Yeah, Cobra's Curse says 0 minutes. Yeah, there's no wait for a ride that is not running. Alright, so we have this area closed off here because they're doing work on Cobra's Curse. There's a box there that says Mock Rides. Some plating. Interesting stuff. So yeah, Cobra's Curse is currently down for maintenance. And so is Cheetah Hunt. Like I said before, Cheetah Hunt I heard was probably going to be closed to the end of September. And hopefully we'll get an announcement sometime in September for Project Driftwood. Somebody complained last week that I didn't call them pink chickens. But I did call them pink chickens after I did call them flamingos. But here is your pink chickens and other birds. Looks like Abby Cadabby is putting up some Halloween decorations. Not. Nothing for Halloween in front of the pink chickens. Oh, I do see some decoration just past Sesame Street. Oh no, this looks like a carnival. The freak show. Oh no, half boy, half dog. Doink the clown. Oh no, we're gonna have, oh no. Looks like Acme supplied them with some TNT. Boom. Oh, we got the bearded lady too. Tattooed lady. La femme, okay. Half lady, half spider. Gross. So this is some new stuff. We got an office here. We got, oh boy. Scrubotron. Okay, it looks like an old car wash. We just went through a car wash. Pretty nasty too. Well, guys, there is some more progress going on with Project Driftwood. The station and the Q house is gone, and they still have trucks over there digging up more stuff. And like I said last week, I'm bringing my GoPro with me on Sheikra to get the aerial view. Oh, here we go. Not only do you get a POV of Sheikra, but let's hopefully get some good shots of Project Driftwood. Oh my.
Wow, they did a lot of work.
Yeah. Wow, it's all gone. Oh, there you saw it, folks. Project Driftwood is well along its way. There's no more station, no more queue house. A lot of the pool is gone. The wooden deck is gone. They got trucks in there. They got Paul in there. I guess Paul's the demolition crew. And you got vehicles parked over there in the Scorpion lot. So much happening. So hopefully we'll get an announcement next month about what's going in place there, which you kind of think we know. Last week you had me and Miss Gail do the Eye in the Sky report. Now you have Maggie back. And we got one view off of the Shikra, and there it is. The pool is pretty much gone, and they're using that Scorpion plot for a staging area. And all you see is Paul, and that's the demolition crew that's doing the basically getting rid of the pool, getting rid of the station and everything else. And now there's some new stuff on the box. I saw some new writing on the box, and it's making noise again. And we still have Kumba still standing. They haven't started taking down Kumba yet. Let's see if there's anything else along the way of markers around here. No, just see like that one there. There's a couple over here, one right there. One over there, one down there by the fire hydrant. And we did, oh, there's a marker right there. Couple down there, and then right there, right in the grass, you see some more markers.
There's Lou. Behind you.
Hey, Jordan.
How you doing?
Pretty good, and you?
Hey, Lou. Hanging in there.
Hey. So they got you doing the sky ride.
They are.
See the shirt, Lou? Yeah. We'll be back around to check on Lou again. Well, now they got a truck over there with flyby. It looks like they got more fencing on the back of the truck, and they did put a roof over here and a roof on this one over here. So yeah, it looks like they're putting up some more fencing somewhere. Oh, I see. Looks like fencing in the water, so that they can't go underneath the water there. All that makes perfect sense. I feel sorry for the person that has to be in the water though, putting up the fence.
Oh, man.
What?
It's not running.
Yeah, it is.
Oh. They got B-side going.
Yeah, they got B-side running this time. Probably to give A-side a break. And I would guess probably a 5-minute wait like anything else. I don't see any of it. Oh, no, I see one. So I only see one hippo. Must be Moyo. Cheetah is stuck in its habitat.
Camera!
appears some more decorations have popped up over here. So when we're done with all of the rides over there, we'll have to come this way and check out the new scare zone, or an old scare zone, or see what they're doing over here. So it does look like they're really actively working on getting the hollow screen decorations up. Oh, looks like we got a couple of baby gazelles, some more babies. They look really small, as opposed to those bigger ones over there. And there's another small one over there. Oh, wow. And there's the yellow train. And just a heads up, the train does not go on the full track. The train is only going from Nairobi back to Nairobi. It only goes through and around the Serengeti. And then, as you can see, it comes back here and right back to the Nairobi station. So if you want to see Kumba from the train, that ain't gonna happen. Neither is the Stanleyville station or the Congo station. Both of those stations are closed, and the train won't even go by them. Now, I do think that there is an opportunity for Busch Gardens just beyond the Serengeti flyer here, right in this wooded area. I always thought that that would be a good place to put like a giga and have it, you know, have the lift hill here, have it drop over here, have it go up along the Serengeti, or even in that tree line there, have it do something and then come back, and then come back to the station over here, or something along those lines, because they got this whole area here that they can do something with, as long as they don't disturb the animals that are here, or the animals out there in the Serengeti. But if they run right along like the train here and come up close to the Sky Ride, kind of like how Phoenix Rising is, and run up along those trees, or even go out there into the employee parking, that would be fine. And then they can bring it up there. They can do so many things with that area, and so many places where a giga could go, if they don't want to put it right there where Kumba is. I don't see any moving boulders or anything. And we're gonna come up and see Lou. Wasn't he on the train before? Yeah. Every Friday. Yep. Well, we live up in Port Richey, so it takes about an hour to get here. Well, we enjoy seeing you too. So Lou did not realize that we pop in every Friday. I think a lot of people have figured out that we show up every Friday. I don't know, it looks like there's a lift or something over there by Falcon's Fury. We'll have to check that out after lunch. But pretty much after this Sky Ride, we're going to get something to eat, because it's well past the time to get something to eat. But before we go, we'll take one more look from the sky ride at Project Driftwood. Oh, actually, we're gonna take a look at this box here because I saw some new writing. It bites back. It bites back. Okay. So Kumba's Revenge will bite back. And yep, there we see the work being done on Project Driftwood. That'll do for the Eye in the Sky report here from Busch Gardens, Tampa. They are busy at work, making a lot of noise back there. I'm so glad they add little peepholes. I already see Stella playing around underneath. She's just sitting in her hammock spinning around.
Oh, they're under.
Little goofball Stella. You having fun, Stella?
She's adorable.
Hi, Luna. How we doing?
Keeping an eye on his butt, Yeah, really.
It says the rapids are closed today. We're gonna have to check and see if there's any sign of activity at the other side. Well, no, it doesn't look like there's any way we can tell if the Congo River Rapids is testing or not. Still nothing over here on the back side of the log flume plot. So either they haven't gotten to this point yet, or maybe they're not gonna actually do anything with this area. But we did see some trucks and everything up here. Yeah, like I mentioned in earlier videos, they're going to be using Scorpion as a staging area. Oh boy, that music is awful over here. Now there appears to be a photo opportunity over there. The doctor will see you now. And I think that means that the nurses are coming back. I've been seeing hints that fiends might be coming back. That would be great. I do think I hear water. But I can't see anything. And I don't see any markers over here. We're on the top of Wild Oasis. Yeah, let's go this way. As hopefully we can catch a glimpse of something over there where the river rapids are. But let's check out who is on the habitat today. Oh, look at that. There's Fernando, our big, huge, giant anteater. And we got what looks like our kookaburras in here.
Way back there.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. And our kookaburras are in here too.
Huh.
Oh, there's one of them. And another one just flew by. We have 3 of them? Huh. I think that was our kookaburras. Yeah, we got Nugget and Rudy over here. But, yeah, no squirrel monkeys, spider monkeys. I think they were, yeah, squirrel monkeys. Yeah, I don't see any of the other animals in here. And we got our antelope back here. And I do hear some machinery back there. Oh, we might be able to see something. Yeah. There is water if you look right in here. Oh, and right over there, you can definitely see water in the rapids. Oh, and there is a raft with dummies going by. I can actually confirm it, guys. The river rapids is testing. Let's see if we can spot another raft coming here. You can look right here. You see right between the trees?
Water. Yeah. See it over there too.
Yeah.
Between there.
Here we go, another raft coming through. Oh, looks like it got stuck over here. Now it's behind the trees. Here it comes. And there it goes. Thinking about getting wet? Well, you might not have to come to an area like this anymore. You may be able to actually get wet on the Congo River Rapids. Here's some footage of some rafts being tested. They may open up very soon, maybe even today. Got Tank and Bubba right up front here. Hi, Tank. Oh, you heard your name? Hi, Bubba. You guys playing nice? You're not fighting, are you? Tank, leave Bubba alone. The face-off of the tortoises. Now, granted...
You're getting in trouble, Paul.
Yes, I am. Look,
You're always in trouble.
Look at that. He just flew in here.
Is that a hawk?
Yeah.
A red tail?
I think so.
Is that a red tail? It is?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is.
I don't know my hawks all that well.
Oh, look at that. Grabbing a drink of water.
That is a red tail. Does the tail red? Is that where they get their name?
Yeah, the feathers are a little bit more on the redder side than other hawks. And the base of the tail is also a little bit more red. So,
No hitchhiking allowed.
Pink chickens. And well, we know we got a new baby over there, and we got Groot over here, and over here we have our tuxedo birds. Tuxedo birds. And more Hollow Scream decorations. For rent? Why would you want to rent it? And again, there's no name for this one yet. So we'll have to check back again next week and see if this one is a named scare zone. Well, junkies, that's gonna do it for today. What can I say? Wow. All that demo work being done for Project Driftwood, and to catch Congo River Rapids actually running and testing. We're gonna have a water ride back. Yay! At the end of summer. I mean, well, it's still gonna be hot for the next couple of months at least. I mean, it's Florida. How can it not be hot? So, we got great news. Supposedly, the Congo River Rapids will be opening tomorrow, barring no issues with the testing. And, well, no news on Falcon's Fury, no news on Cheetah Hunt, and no news on Cobra's Curse. Except for Cobra's Curse shouldn't be down for that long. It's only down for annual maintenance. So, but I've been seeing all of September that Cheetah Hunt will be down. Probably because it's another part that they need, and they need to order it from who knows where, because Intamin does not like to carry spare parts. They have to make them on the spot, which really stinks. Bless you. I know. Well, that'll be doing it for us for today, and we hope to see you next week on the next episode of the Busch Gardens Junkies. So farewell, have a great day, and on that note, we'll see you at the parks.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done.